Okay, I think I'm back. It says I'm live. I got rid of the plugin for Bamboo for OBS because it kept crashing it. And I wouldn't even notice that I was offline unless I looked at the video on my little tablet. It was driving me crazy. Almost done printing the gears, this time without supports, so that's good. Sorry everybody for the 80th stream. One of these days I'll get it right. I think I'm going to try again next weekend, just because of all these problems. But as you can tell, this thing is moving fast. I love it. I mean, this is a 2-hour print. And here's some stuff that I've been working on. This is what we're printing now. We are printing this gear. And then these two spool, what do you call them? Shafts that go between the spool. So we're getting close to having all the pieces. Let's say this as a project. Save. That's done. And then we'll open up one of my other projects that I'm working on. Big LED one. Discard. Come on, load. So this is one of the projects I've been working on. Preview. I don't know why it doesn't show what I left off on. I believe it's 4. Nobody's watching. Too many issues with the stream. But I learned now not to add the Bamboo slicer in feed, video feed, because it kept crashing OBS for some reason. I'm not saying that's going to happen to anybody else, but happening to me at least. But I'm printing all these currently. I was printing them on Boron, which they turn out pretty good. But I have more consistency with the Bamboo when I print these. So I've been printing a lot more on the bamboo. So I've been trying to give the love still to the slicer. I just did these. Unfortunately, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of them turned out bad. I don't know if you can see if I turn this on. You can see them up there. And yeah, so they're not all coming out. But when I print them on this, they're all printing out perfect. So I need to go find the plate. It's 36 through 50. Which I think it's this one. So if we go to objects, scroll really too quick. Actually, slicer 36. 37, 36. So plate 4 is done, except for, let's see if I can face it back up here. Turn off the Wi-Fi too. We need to reprint 6 of them. But unfortunately, the spool for this is too thick. So I have to transfer the spool to one of the bamboo spools so we can print these continuous on the bamboo. When I print them on the Voron, they turn out pretty good, but I'm losing about half of them. So this camera looks so washed out. These prints are turning out beautiful. I don't know if you guys can see. Bringing it a little closer. Let me bring up the streaming stats. OBS. Just want to see if we're actually doing it. Disk space, CPU usage, frame rate, memory usage. Pretty low. Better than I thought. Streaming. I'm pushing it. It's better than what it was before. Yeah. This is a short stream here. I'm gonna pop on some other ones and watch. Unfortunately, first round, nothing worked correctly. But yeah, I'm printing these. I did some laser work on these guys. So, little keychains. I thought the kids would like them, but then I thought they're pretty old. My kids, they don't really care for this stuff. I thought they could give it to maybe a teacher. Say, hey, I appreciate you. Thank you. Um, Next time we go live, maybe we'll build this. I've seen who was just coming online today. Give me a second. This guy looks like he's going to be on in about a minute. So I'm going to go check out his stream. Maybe he'll be more entertaining than me. Unfortunately, I think we were off to a good start. And then I was trying to make that camera go live, and it wouldn't. We have both printers here, both running. The Voron had some issues, but now I got it going again. But yeah, next weekend we'll try making it a little better. I tweaked some settings. CPU usage looks good. Video looks good. Hopefully, you guys will tune in. Tune in next week. I'll do some more live. Maybe work on this project that I got going on the desktop. Hopefully we'll have the rest of these printed. We got 3 more plates to go, plus a couple on here. And then we have to take it, put it on a board. And I think I'm going to use the CNC machine to carve out this shape so we can inset it a little bit. And then we're going to do LEDs. So we're going to cut out some circles, put the LEDs on the back of the wood, and then these over the top of the wood. And then hopefully everything goes right. It'll light it up. Thank you to Dr. Z's. Where is it? I had one sitting here. Stuff on the desk. Really need to clean up. Yep, you got one right here. See that? Dig to go. Awesome little device. And we'll talk about that a little bit. We need some lights. Yeah, we're in the right spot. Yeah. Powered up, Type C. Plug it in on this end. Access point. Use your phone, connect to it. Put it on your Wi-Fi then. Good to go. Even has a mic built in, so the lights will react. So when we get this done, this will be a pretty cool little project. I don't know if you guys seen my other one on the wall. Parents love it. Give it to them. And I had a couple other people that wanted it. So we'll see how this goes. I do have to give credit to somebody on this. I don't know how to say this actual shape and design of the art piece. Let me see if I can pull them up. You know, you want to give somebody props, but it's hard to say somebody's name sometimes, so you don't want to say it wrong. So I need to get like a recording of him saying it, so I say it right. But let's see here. So he makes artwork, 3D printed artwork. He paints it all. He primes it. This one looks like it's made out of resin. Whew, look at that. That is beautiful. That was beautiful. He makes these shapes out of resin, cleans them all up, glues them. I don't really understand why he paints them unless he's doing a double thing on it. Like, you paint them, but you're pouring or the mold over it. Is the paint to help it come out? Or are you going to use both pieces in two different projects? One for the resin and one for something else, which would be smart. That's pretty. But yeah, he's got a whole bunch of different ones. Check them out. And once I get mine all printed, I'll give a credit to him. And I think he's making one too. So, I mean, it's some cool stuff. I appreciate you guys dealing with the crazy nonsense of my stream. Next week, I'll try to have stuff a little better together. Hopefully, a better camera and maybe shave. And we can maybe finish this project or get to the next spot. And on top of that, just finish the spool. So thanks for tuning in. Sorry about the back and forth, but I figured out what was crashing it. So you guys have a great night, and I'm gonna go watch some other YouTubers.